when I put makeup on, I feel like the tone of voice in my head changes, and it allows me to look at myself from kind of a different angle. It's not like a complete personality shift. Like, of course, it's still me under like makeup or funky clothing and fake hair and everything, but it allows me to look at Wilson and look at my place in the world from a place that's a little bit more whimsical and a little bit more bright.
We live in Idaho, so it's really hard for some people to understand. There's been really negative, really positive reactions. Like, the emotions really range, but I feel like a lot of that has to do with prejudice.
To me personally, drag is an art form that allows you to express yourself in a way that has a lot less boundaries than other art forms, because the medium is yourself, and you're changing your appearance to match any feelings that you have on the inside. And I think that has a really unique and powerful kind of effect on an individual. So to me, it's a way that I communicate with myself and make it an external artistic process.